My TED Talk video was titled "What Are Animals Thinking and Feeling" by Carl Safina. He is a writer and ecologist. One of the most interesting components for me was when he talked about how elephants reacted certain ways depending on human sounds that they heard. He talked about how when he recorded a tourist bus, the sounds that came from those people and placed them where an elephant group was, that the elephants wouldn't get scared. But if you played a video of like hunters and their sounds that they made, the elephants would huddle up and they would run away. I also thought it was really interesting that he talked about how killing a species to the point where they became extinct would actually affect a whole ecosystem. The presentation was really good because it had a lot of new information that I didn't know about. This video really made me think about how, as humans, we aren't taking into consideration how animals could be feeling or what they could be thinking. He did come across as qualified for this topic because he really knew about animals and what they were feeling and how they lived because he's an ecologist. Many visual aids were used in the video because they were very effective. He used a lot of pictures that were really like impactful. Like he showed a image of an elephant that had the whole part of his horns like cut off, and it was just the head and the body that were left there, and there was the herd right next to it. He also used images of how ecosystems were being affected because animals were being killed close to extinction. He's talked about how a pack of wolves had their male alpha and female alpha, but once they they were killed, the herd became a total mess and they just stopped being with each other. I thought this video was really good because the speaker's delivery was very effective. He really explained why his topic was so important and his passion. You could see it because he really wanted you to see his images and feel how he felt when he would see those images. He You could hear it and see the passion that he was talking about for his subject. His audience looked very interested in the presentation because they would nod their heads or their faces would turn sad when they saw a visual aid that was very depressing, you could say. And that's it.